beautiful view. So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Actually we planned for a ride, 350 kilometers ride to a beautiful waterfall in Telangana, but due to the forecast and due to the red alert gave by the government saying that for next 3 days there continues rain everywhere in the Telangana, so that is the reason we are not going for a long ride. But since the rain is not happening now, so we thought let's go for a short ride and explore the places and have lunch and come back. So we are heading towards the Shamirpet lake. Then we're gonna have lunch, then we'll do some chit chat and we'll back to home. So see you near the Shamirpet lake. I know if it is raining, lakes and waterfalls, every place will be very beautiful, but you know, if it is heavy rain, then I suggest you guys not to ride in the rain.
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
I think they closed the way. ఇట్లా పోదాం. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, చిన్న వే ఉంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి. This is a small lane is there. I'm not sure whether we will be going this road or not, but yep, this bike is meant for this. Oh my god. So guys, we have come from the main road to this road. They have closed, but finally we found one road, not a road, some off-roading. We did some off-roading and came, and look at this way, man. This
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
Hi bro, how
hi,
are you?
good. Chalo. వస్తావు కంపల్సరీ కూర్చో, పట్టుకో. So the guys, we try to take some photos and videos, but if you can see, that guy is a police who is telling it's not allowed to come over there. But we tried from this road. It's not a road, there's no road to go there, but we are planning to go from other road where we can explore the place very clearly. But the thing is, yeah, look at the road, man. Look at the lake. Amazing it is. And this is the highway, so we have to take a left from over here. Left side you'll find the temple, and this is the way. From here we can see the place. So this is the Shamirpet temple. Behind this temple you will find the lake, the other road. Oh my god. Little bit of off-roading. Due to rain, this road is not good, so we have to take this left. I am not sure whether they are going to allow us or not. Yeah, this is the way. Yeah. This way is a bit slippery, but we can go it. Oh, it's closed. Will not be able to go. We can put the bike over here and go and come back. That we can do it. Paini chanti ikkadi nunchi vellochu. Rara. So we'll take this road. Oops. Beautiful view. Wow. Beautiful view. So we are going to resort now to have some lunch. I know it is late, it's around 4, but look at the view and greenery. Amazing it is. Earlier it was Harita Lake. Now this is took over by the private property, Mrigavan Resort, and they have not fully fledged open this resort. I mean to say that they have the hotel facility, stay is there, but food, the kitchen is not yet set up here. They're going to get, in case if you order the food, they will get from that. The beside there is one more resort, their resort, they'll get from there. Amazing view, you can see this. This is the parking and we can go there, no problem. Come on guys. This is the Telangana tourism. View that lake view, and now we are going for lunch. Now it's very late lunch, time is around 4. Wow, amazing weather. So we reached the place where the resort is there. नमस्ते रिसोर्ट. हाँ गाड़ी उधर लगा लेते. So guys, backside you can see there's a waterfall. This place is totally worth coming to have lunch or a stay. Amazing it is.
Come down to your side then. Bottle is gone.
Hey, what name?
Everything that happens is motivation.
Passport